Are you ready to transform your kitchen game? In today's video, we're unveiling 10 cool kitchen tools that'll make your cooking a breeze. From cutting-edge tech to ingenious designs, these tools are about to change the way you experience your kitchen. Let's dive in and explore these amazing kitchen tools. Before we start, please support this small channel. If you're not interested in subscribing, please simply hit the like button. Thank you so much. We will start our video with Nostalgia Breakfast Cooker. Introducing the Nostalgia 3-in-1 Breakfast Station in Aqua. Revolutionize your mornings with its multifunctional design featuring a coffee maker, non-stick griddle, and toaster oven, all in one space-saving unit. Brew up to 4 cups of coffee while cooking eggs, bacon, and pancakes on the ample griddle. The stylish yet compact design adds charm to any kitchen. Enjoy the nostalgia of early 19th century America with our innovative breakfast solution. Now let's talk about Ovente Electric Hand Blender. Introducing the Ovente Electric Hand Blender. With a powerful 300-watt motor and adjustable speed settings, it effortlessly blends smoothies, soups, and more. Its sleek, ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, while the stainless steel shaft is compatible with various containers. Plus, it's easy to clean and backed by US-based customer service for peace of mind. Now, let's discuss Nostalgia Electric Egg Cooker. Introducing the Nostalgia CLEC 14AQ Retro Premium Electric Egg Cooker. With one-touch cooking and a 14-egg capacity, it's perfect for any meal. Its retro design adds charm to any kitchen, while the cool touch handles ensure safety. Plus, it's easy to clean and compact for smaller spaces. Enjoy a variety of egg dishes hassle-free. Next up, we have OXO Good Grips Avocado Slicer. Introducing the OXO Good Grips 3-in-1 Avocado Slicer. This handy tool effortlessly splits, pits, and slices avocados. Its stainless steel pitter removes pits with a quick twist, while the slicer lifts the fruit from its skin in 7 perfect pieces. With a soft, non-slip grip, it's comfortable to use and dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Let's move on to Nostalgia My Mini Personal Sandwich Maker. Introducing the Nostalgia My Mini Personal Sandwich Maker in mint green. Cook hot sandwiches, pizza pockets, quesadillas, and more with ease. Its compact size is perfect for any kitchen, dorm, or camper. The dual-sided cooking surface ensures quick, consistent results, while the non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze. With cool touch handles and indicator lights, it's easy and safe to use. Perfect for gifting or treating yourself to delicious meals on the go. Now, let me introduce Nostalgia Electric Popcorn Maker. Introducing the Nostalgia Hot Air Electric Popcorn Maker in Retro Aqua. This quick and easy air popper pops up to 12 cups of healthy, oil-free popcorn per batch with just a push of a button. Enjoy a delicious low-fat treat without any unpopped kernels, thanks to its unique popping chamber design. Perfect for parties or family nights in, its compact size and classic retro design make it a stylish addition to any kitchen. Plus, it includes a measuring cap for precise portioning and doubles as a butter melting tray. Get ready for movie nights with this convenient countertop companion. Our next item, we have Farberware Heat Nylon Meat and Potato Masher. Introducing the Farberware Professional Heat-Resistant Nylon Meat and Potato Masher. This versatile utensil isn't just for ground meat. Its 5-blade design makes it perfect for mashing potatoes, squash, carrots, and more. Heat-resistant up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, it's safe for all cookware types, including non-stick. With easy-to-use angled blades, it effortlessly mixes and mashes while scraping the sides of bowls and pots. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for quick cleanup. Simplify your cooking with this handy kitchen tool. Now let's talk about Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker. Introducing the Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker. The perfect gift for any occasion, it cooks your customized sandwich in minutes. Choose your ingredients, assemble in 4 easy steps, and enjoy a delicious meal at home or on the go. With over 25 recipes to explore, it's a versatile addition to any kitchen. Plus, cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe parts and non-stick surfaces. Simplify your mornings with this convenient breakfast solution. Continuing on with our showcase, we have Dezin electric cooker. Introducing the Dezin electric cooker, your versatile cooking solution. Sauté, fry, and cook your favorite meals without a stove. Its non-stick coating ensures easy cleaning while reducing oil usage for healthier cooking. With overheating and boil-dry protection, plus adjustable temperature control, 250W and 600W, it's both safe and efficient. Compact and portable, it's perfect for dorms, picnics, or any small kitchen. Treat yourself or a friend to this essential kitchen gadget for delicious meals anytime, anywhere. Lastly, we have apple peeler. Introducing the apple peeler and corer. This manual rotating kitchen gadget includes one peeler, 2 replacement blades, and 1 splitter for effortless fruit preparation. Its sharp stainless steel blade peels apples smoothly in just seconds, while 4 suction cups keep it stable on countertops. No electricity needed, making it easy to use anytime. Durable and efficient, it's the perfect gift for any occasion, bringing joy and healthy eating to your loved ones. We have reached the end of this video. If you find these kitchen tools helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content, and drop a comment below. Your support means a world to me. Thank you for watching.